Hello, it's Jacqueline. I am here with you in pure support, encouragement, and excitement. This is our workshop about developing a vision board guided by the angels. I am overjoyed to finally get a chance to share this at a bigger scale. My angels have been asking me to do this for a long time, but as many of you know, I've been busy doing matchmaking. So now I have an opportunity to share with you. Share something powerful, something magnetic, something transformative. And the really exciting part about this is that I am sharing this with you from Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Because of this beautiful life that I've been able to create, led by my angels, I have manifested an incredible existence that's allowing me to explore and travel. So throughout many of my upcoming videos, you will be seeing that I might just be in other countries, other cities, other neighborhoods. You never know, but because I listen to the angels' wisdom, I am able to take things to the next level. That does not mean I came to this place easy, quickly, or smoothly by any means. I was born with a special gift. It is a unique gift. I thought everybody else could see dead people walking around, get these interesting messages. And then when I would ask friends, like, did you just see that? Did you hear that? Did you feel that? They were like, what are you talking about? Luckily, over time, I grew to understand more about the gift and I grew to work with the gift. I was 16 when it was the clearest it had ever been. I was in the hallway at a school getting ready for my junior year of high school. I had gotten my locker partner. I had my books ready to go. And I was in a place of expecting something new, junior year of high school. And I stood there in front of the locker, there in front of my locker. I got this voice that said, you're not supposed to be at this school. You're supposed to change to the local school in town. At that time, I was attending a private all-girls Catholic high school in the city, just like my three older sisters had gone and enjoyed and experienced. So as I stood there in front of my locker, full of my new books, full of things for my locker mate, my friend Maureen, that was excited to be able to share a locker with me. All these possibilities were bubbling up. But then I stood there and I heard this voice saying, you need to change schools. You need to go to the public school and not stay at this private Catholic, all girls Catholic, did I say it again? Catholic school in the city. My three older sisters had already graduated from here. And so it was just a family tradition. It was a legacy that I was continuing on. But at that moment, when I heard that I wasn't supposed to be there, I stopped, I paused, and then I looked around up and down the hallway and quickly realized there was nobody else there. It was just me. And this overwhelming feeling came over me, and I was like, okay, I heard that. I'm going to listen. I walked out of the school, past all these friends that were so excited to see me after our summer break. And I knew I wasn't ever coming back. I knew I was leaving for something different, something new, something for my life that was going to change. I went home and I bravely told my mom, and surprised, she was great. She was wonderful. She was understanding and she was supportive. So I called up one friend that I knew was at that school and said, guess what? I'm switching schools. She's like, what are you talking about? I said, I just got this feeling. I got to go do it. And you know, my life changed so much from the moment I pulled up in the parking spot and looked at the front door and I saw somebody amazing. I saw multiple people amazing. And significant stories are going to come from this that I'll tell you later. But I met somebody that first day that my angel said, that is somebody you need to know. And that person became a very significant part of my high school years. And I never would have met them had I just stayed the course, kept the blinders on, and not listened. Well, over time, this gift got stronger and stronger and stronger. And then as I had my children, I learned that they were born with the gift too. We all deal with it a little bit differently. I have it the strongest. I have siblings that have parts of the gift. So I'm definitely thinking this came through my mom. She passed away before I got a chance to really dig in and ask her more. But the more my gift gets stronger, the more I'm realizing and remembering lots of things that we experienced with her that was definitely angel led. So over time, people came to me for guidance, and I didn't know if I could really do it. But then I would tell them things that there's no way I would have known about them without these four fat cherubs. Yes, let me introduce you to my four fat cherubs on my right side. So while I'm giving you this workshop, I will look up. I know I've got my glasses on so I can read the screen too, but I want you to know that that's out of respect when I look up to them. It's because they are sharing their wisdom. I even have angels tattooed on my body because it's so powerful and such an important part of who I am and what resonates in my story and my message. So the exciting and powerful and so rewarding part about this is that now I am bringing these messages that I have been giving individually to angel clients for years. I'm bringing them to you. I'm bringing them to where you can listen, you can learn, you can receive, and you can get so much more insight. The great part about the workshops that are angel led is the information I am getting from my angels is stuff that I've never heard taught or expressed anywhere else. So be open, be curious, be flexible, and be patient with yourself as you learn and grow through this incredible experience that I'm honored and blessed to share with you. So let's get started.